Hello guys, welcome to the first video of 4th section. In this video we are going to talk about the Raspberry Pi Zero W kits. Raspberry Pi Zero W is one of the cheapest and amazing single board computer of this year. But as you know that Raspberry Pi Zero W comes with the mini HDMI and micro USB port, which further requires some amount of money to purchase them. So in this video we will look at some kits available for Raspberry Pi Zero W. Here we have got two kits. One is the Raspberry Pi Zero W basic kit and another one is the complete starter kit. So let's start with the Raspberry Pi Zero W basic kit. Let me just open the box, and here we have a nice looking plastic box, and here we have an acrylic case for Raspberry Pi Zero W. We also have a few extra covers which I will talk about later. Second, we have a micro USB to USB connector and mini HDMI to HDMI converter, and here we have a GPIO headers. And right here we have also got the Raspberry Pi Zero W, which comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now let me open this case and show you what extra you get instead of just a single case. Here we have an official case for Raspberry Pi Zero W. It also comes with these covers. One is for the GPIO header and another one is for the camera. All in all, lot many varieties available. We have also got Raspberry Pi camera ribbon cable as a bonus, but as you can see, camera is not included here. Apart from all these things, you can make lot many projects using Raspberry Pi Zero W. In the upcoming video, I will tell you how you can make the Wi-Fi jammer using Raspberry Pi. Not only that, I will also tell you how you can make the time-lapse camera using Raspberry Pi Zero W. If you want to buy this kit, then link is given in the resources file. The cost of this kit is just $30. To be honest guys, this is the fair amount, because 6 months back I only bought the Raspberry Pi Zero W for $30. Compared to that price, what we are getting here is simply amazing. Now let me open the second box, and this box is named as Complete Starter Kit. Again, inside the box we get another plastic box which is full of accessories. So let me open it, and here we have one manual about the Raspberry Pi Zero W. Apart from this, we have a similar Pi case with the ribbon cable and these connectors. We also get two GPIO headers, whereas in basic kit we were only having one. And just like the previous kit, we are also getting the Raspberry Pi Zero W as well. These things were also present in the basic kit of Raspberry Pi Zero W. But this unit comes with the extra accessories, that is power supply and 8GB SD card installed with Noobs. Here we have a US power supply with 5V output and a micro USB to USB cable. The cost of this kit is $40 compared to the first kit, which is available for $30. This kit comes with the extra power supply and 8GB SD card, which cost about $10 extra. So if you have a 5V and 2A power adapter and a SD card, then you can buy the basic kit, or else you can buy this particular kit. So this is everything for the Raspberry Pi Zero W. If you want to buy them, then link is given in the resources file. Simply open up your resources file and you can simply click on the link to buy them.